notice 3 steps before leaving the side of the road? Okay, that's step 3. Smog, S-M-O-G. That's step 3. There's a couple things you got to do before. So step 1, right now your wheels are really sharp to the left. If you hit the gas, when you put it in drive, if you hit the gas, you're going to go that way. So the first step is to straighten the wheels out, or at least point them in the direction you're going to be going. So you leave the curb gradually that way. That's step 1. And then step 2 is to get your car ready for takeoff. Here, you put it into drive. And then your step 3 is smog.
Okay, so that's for when I'm parked.
Yeah, S is for signal, M is for mirror, O is for over the shoulder, and G is for go. You got it. Turn your wheels a bit to the left because they were just touching the curb a bit. Yeah. Nothing. We're gonna go straight at the stop sign. Look through here. Right there. You should be able to see that curve, the edge of the road, pretty much there, approximately. Okay. Okay, let's pull it over to the right side of the road. And from here we'll do a 3-point turn. Excellent. Nailed it. You're not going to have any problem with the 3-point turn at all.
Okay.
Let's go straight here at the stop sign. And we're gonna park it on the downhill